am Sneha, and today I will discuss about the topic cybersecurity. So, what you can say about cybersecurity?
When we use cybersecurity for personal computer, we simply use to the business reputation.
Okay, and why is it is important?
Enhance project for business education or we use assets and remote working.
Basically, you can say cybersecurity important because computer or mobile
Yes.
nowadays very useful. So, cybercrime have too much its advantage of cybersecurity.
Projects enhance and assets to remote work and we use for other computers.
But it is very high and very expensive.
Yes.
So, it is good or not?
Yeah, good for not is very expensive and other thinking for your personal computer.
So, you can tell me advantage of cybersecurity. There are so many advantages of cybersecurity. First, it's save our mobile computers from hackers and virus theft, and you also build teams. Customers safe about the company's security, and enhance privacy and data saving also, etc.
How can it prevent our privacy?
Security prevents are hacking, phishing, ransomware, malware. Hacking like hackers can hack your computer or accounts, ask for money for unlock it, and fake emails or messages and devices. What are the disadvantages of cybersecurity?
Fake call and hacking.